Okay, let's start.
Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. How are you doing?
I'm all right, thank you, doctor.
What brought you along today?
Doctor, I had a heart attack a few weeks ago, and yeah, I came back home just 4 days ago, and since I'm home, I've been feeling so weak, and I just don't feel right. So um, I'm also worried that I might have another heart attack. So yes, what do you think? Is this normal? Because it's just like I have no energy at all.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear about that. Have you had any other chest pain since your discharge?
No, not really. It was just it's just a weakness.
Any short of breath, difficulty
Mm,
breathing?
no, no, I've been fine. Yeah.
So you just feel tired, right?
Yes, but the doctor at the hospital told me if I get another heart attack, it might be even more severe, and so I'm just afraid of walking, and um, I don't know whether I can go swimming or I do my gardening, which I always did.
It's completely understandable that you have concern about your heart attack. But I want to reassure you that some tiredness is uh, quite common after a heart attack, okay?
Okay,
And it usually takes some weeks to return to your normal level of energy, all right?
okay, right. So, how much physical activity I'm allowed?
That's a very good question. You usually after heart attack, patients will be able to start moderate activity after about 2 weeks. Okay,
Okay.
uh, but it will take more to return to your usual lifestyle, to return you to work. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Uh,
So yes. So when can I go back to work?
You might be able to return to your work 4 weeks in next 4 weeks, and it's really necessary that you start moderate physical activity. And I suggest to join to the cardiac rehabilitation program. Okay.
Okay.
It will help you to start your exercise under supervision of an expert. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, and do you think I would be able to basically do the swimming and gardening that I used to do?
Uh, these kind of activities are strengths for your condition. Uh, we need to start from mild to moderate activity, and then you can increase it to a higher level gradually.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And regarding your concerns about repeated heart attacks, uh, uh, it's likely to have another heart attack after the first one, but there are several ways to prevent further heart attack. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What can I do to reduce the risk of having
Let
another heart attack?
me explain it to you. You can have modification of your lifestyle. Diet is pretty important. reducing the amount of salt in your diet, okay?
Okay.
And some stress management technique would help you.
Okay. Good. So, how was that?
خوب بود.
Okay. Uh, okay, so your feeling is that it was good. Okay. What is score out of 10?
9.
Okay. So, what went well and what could be done differently? So what went well?
استراکچرش خوب بود.
Okay.
دیگه information gathering هم خوب بود.
Good.
information آیس هم که گرفتم.
Okay. پس اینا همه خوب بود. Structure خوب بود، راپو خوب بود، information gathering, ICE, information giving. پس اون یه نمره مال چی بود که از دست دادی؟
همینطوری.
همینطوری. اوکی. اوکی بود. شما در صورت گفتید که خب نگرانی چیه؟ آیس رو اکسپلور کردید. بعد من آیا کیوی چیزی این وسط بود که پیکاپ بکنیم یا نه؟
اون که میترسه که از دومین هارت اتک و ورزش، اصرار به ورزش داشت.
اوکی. گود. یکی این که خب برگشتن به کار، کارش چی بود؟
نپرسیدم.
اوکی. اگه کارش وزنه برداری باشه چی؟ میتونه 4 هفته دیگه برگرده؟
نه.
نه. اوکی. اوکی.
اون که نمره به خاطر همین
به
نکاتی
خاطر همون بود. اوکی. به نظرم خیلی خوب بود. فقط یه مقدار توی همون 2 تا نکته. یکی اینکه suggest شما گفتید I suggest you to go to cardiac rehabilitation. We don't use suggest. So حالا الان باز توضیح میدم. شما گفتید you need to do this and that, you need to take it easy, you need to سعی میکنیم نگیم تو چی کار بکن، بلکه سعی میکنیم بیشتر بگیم it is recommended or the evidence shows that. Okay. And so we usually take it easy after the MI or after heart attacks. Okay. So بیشتر به جای که بگین تو این کار بکن، میتونیم بگیم که this is the recommendation, this is the evidence. Okay. And that's easier to say. Basically I can suggest you to go to cardiac rehabilitation غلطه. این باید بگیم I suggest you going to cardiac rehabilitation program, or I suggest that you go. I suggest you go, okay, to the cardiac rehabilitation. So basically it's easier to say it in the same objective and factual way. The recommendation is this, or the evidence shows this, science shows this, our guidelines say this. Okay. Good.